raining outside. Let's see. Usually check. This is weird. It's raining. It's raining over here. You can't see it, but it's raining. And then it's sunny over there. I can come out, and I feel it. It's coming down. If I come out a bit more, I can actually feel it. Yeah. And let's see if the rain will hit the camera. Wow, this is a coincidence. This is really amazing. I mean, I'm not lying. This is actually true. It's raining over there and sunny over there. So, yeah. Our house is in the middle of a rainstorm, but at the same time, in a sunny daytime. So, yeah. It's actually quite a coincidence.